Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna take you to a special trip which is to Dubai Desert Safari. Actually, we went to Dubai in December 2019, and there are a few clips and few photos from that trip. So enjoy that. Here we go. So we had a package online about this trip, and it was all covered in that trip. And they picked us up from our hotel, and they took us to the place at the desert safari. And then after when everything finished up, then they dropped us back. So I will continue to tell you about that thing. And this photo is from the shop on the way, and where we bought these special scarves for our heads and these special ornaments, and you don't have to, but we bought these just to get a look of Dubai, to be in the spirit of Dubai. So yeah, enjoy it. I hope you guys are liking it. So from here, our actual Sand Safari trip started, and we were going through that, and it was really bumpy, but it was so enjoyable, and we really had fun. It was going up and down on the sandy mountains. They were like very deep and scary, and we were screaming. And I can't put that thing now because there were songs on in the car, and because of the copyright issues, I cannot put that on. And so I'm just letting you know that we were really screaming inside, but it was fun on the other hand too. And yeah, so it was bumpy ride, but I think everyone should experience it once in a lifetime, because it's something different. Apart from other things, it's really something different, which is really good. You will enjoy it. You must enjoy it, I'm sure. And now we are arriving at our place, like where they do the barbecue and the other stuff. There is a lot of fun over there too. So we just arrived in here, and I will show you the place. And we were going inside, and there were some camel rides too, but our the man who was with us, the guide, and he booked a special seat for us, and he showed us our seats first, and so we can go there, put our bags there, and go around and eat something and have a look around and try the costumes and go for a photo, or yeah, anything you like. There was henna too, camel rides, so many stuff to do. Yeah, it was fun actually. So here we were just looking for our seats, and so we can put our stuff down and go around. So after that, we had booked our camel ride in there. It was included in our package, so we went for a camel ride, and it was good fun. But I was feeling sorry for the camel, but I still had a go on that. And yeah, it was really high, and when the camel is getting up, it was a bit scary. And yeah, but it was good fun actually. And after that, we just sat on our seats. We came back, and we took few photos, as you can see them. And after that, after taking few photos, we just went into the sand area, because as you can see, there were not many people at that time when we arrived there. And so we were just exploring the area and looking around and having our drinks which they offered us. And they also offered a special sweet to us which looked a little bit like gulab jamun or gogla. You know, gogla in Punjabi we call them goglas. So it looked like that, but it was a different thing. So we enjoyed that. After that, we went out in the sand area and looked around. And there was beautiful sunset, and the people were coming over and having their camel rides, quad biking, and henna, and we got to wear some special costumes to get our photos done. So there was a lot going on over there actually, and it was beautiful. And you hardly get to see this kind of stuff actually in the modern living. Like you hardly get to see this kind of traditional kind of stuff, and I really enjoyed it actually. I was having lots of fun, and here in this photo I was just couldn't stop laughing because because there was a funny part actually. There was some visitors over there too, like us, we were also visitors. So they thought, because we were wearing these special scarves and ornaments, so they thought we were residents of Dubai, and they wanted to take some photos with us. and and I was feeling like I was a celebrity or something, and because somebody was very keen to take the photos with us, and which was making me really really laugh, and I couldn't stop it, and I somehow managed to stop my laugh, and and we are like, oh really. And then so yeah, it was really good fun, and it was something different. I will really recommend you guys to go there and experience something like this in your lifetime. And here is my beautiful princess going up and enjoying in the sand. And there was a man making those special kind of sweets over there, and they put it over there and on a table, and people were coming and eating them with the toothpicks. And they put these special cushions along with some little tables on the area, so people were coming to their booked area and sitting over there. And so they were sitting over there because there will be a show going on later on in the night time. There will be a fire show, there will be a tanura dance show, and there will be a belly dancing show. So after that we were gonna have our barbecue dinner, and there will be veg and non-veg options, so whatever you want to eat you can eat. And yeah, so lot was going on, and you will have a lot of fun. I know you guys will say that I'm keep saying that thing, but it was so good. I cannot forget that experience. It was a must to see place. And here is my beautiful princess.
Hello. How are you?
Good. So there the quad bikings are going on as well, but we didn't get it because it wasn't included in our package. But we still could if we needed to, but there were lots of other things to do, so we didn't bother. So I'm the movie man, not movie man, movie girl. So, yeah. Yeah, we can. So we fully enjoyed the beautiful sunset, and we spent a lot of time there, and people were still coming and sitting down, and we were just enjoying viewing and exploring the area. Okay, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ, and I'll go down there, and might be waiting for us, so we need to go there. Oh. So you guys can see now there is a lot of crowd as it's getting dark, and because the people were still keep coming, and by the end of the day, like, it was all crowded. And now it's time for snack. Yeah, so here we were having our snacks, and we actually had to line up to get the snacks, and but it wasn't like a crowd. It was a crowded line, but like, it wasn't taking long as they were all fully prepared, and as you were going they were serving you. and it was really quick. And now it's time for the fire show. Here we go. Fire show. So the fire show was really good, and after the fire show there was another show which was called Tanura dancing, and it was great too. So after the Tanura dancing and fire show, it was time for dinner, and there were varieties of food over there. There were vegetarian and non-veg options available, and it happened just before the belly dancing, and belly dancing was the last thing which we enjoyed in this experience, and it was great. And I hope you guys also enjoyed this experience with me, and I tried to cover as much as I could. Now let's enjoy the belly dancing. So guys, that's all for this desert safari experience now, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and please like, subscribe and share, and comment below if you want to give me any suggestions so I can improve, and keep watching, and press the bell icon next to the subscribe button to continue watching my other videos, and I will see you guys in another video then. All right then, see you guys later. Bye.